All right, so when you're in FlipGrid and you click on the camera, for this assignment, we don't need your face in it, so we're just going to click down here to options, and we're going to click on screen recorder. Make sure you talk a little to make sure the sound is actually being picked up in the microphone, and we're going to start screen recording. Click the screen you want to record, and I don't want my face in it, so I'm going to turn that off, and then I hit the blue button. So you would start by saying, we're going to show you how to use Immersive Reader. So you find a website with some text on it, and you're going to highlight the text, right-click, 2 fingers to right-click, and help me read this. And then it should switch you over into the Immersive Reader. So down here at the bottom, I can hit play. Stop that. I can change the voice. I can change male and female. I can have them speed up or slow down, especially if I'm used to people talking faster. All right, what if you need it in another language? So up here at the top, I'm gonna go to the little book. I'm gonna click read. And I can tell it to do this entire document in a different language. Sorry, I should pick the language first. Sure. By document. And let's hear it again. So it's going to switch over. It's going to change the formatting to the text is in the other language. And that's how you use Immersive Reader. I'm going to stop the recording.